When you hiccup after eating fast, most people think it's just air in your throat. But it actually starts much deeper, around your diaphragm, the muscle under your lungs. The true reason is a nerve misfire from your brain to your chest. You see, the phrenic nerve and vagus nerve both overreact to certain triggers. So instead they spasm, yanking your diaphragm and snapping your vocal cords shut. This means you hear that classic hic as your body slams shut your windpipe. Over a few weeks, constant hiccups can even be a sign of nerve issues or organ problems.